What's up guys, welcome to another Android tutorial. In this video I will show you how to install Pubg Mobile Lite on Android device 2019, the latest version. So let's get started.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
First of all, open your Google Chrome browser and search for download Pubg Lite. Tap on the first link and download up-to-down downloader for Android at first, because we are going to download Pubg Mobile Lite zipped file. So tap on here. Then tap on download the latest version of up-to-down Android. After download the Pubg Mobile Lite and install it properly, you can uninstall this app. After finishing the download of up-to-down Android, you need to download Pubg Mobile Lite from here. When the Pubg Mobile Lite are being downloaded, please install the up-to-down download from your device. Turn on the unknown sources and install this app. Don't open this app until the Pubg Mobile Lite is downloaded. Tap on done, then wait for the Pubg Mobile Lite is being downloaded. So sit back and relax until it finished. It may take some time to download. Actually, it depends on your internet connection speed. After download the Pubg Mobile Lite zip files, open the up-to-down app. Tap on skip. Then tap on three dots. Tap on download. Then tap here to open Pubg Mobile Lite zip files. After unzipping the Pubg Mobile Lite from zip file, tap on install and wait until the installation process is finished. Remember, it may take some time to install the Pubg Mobile Lite from zip file. It takes almost 1 hour to install on my device. So don't be panic until it's finished. When the installation is completed, tap on open and play the game. This is how you can easily install the Pubg Mobile Lite 2019 on your Android device. That's it. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to leave a like, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for the upcoming videos.